Hi, good day everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about how to subtract integers. So let's say, for example, that um, you have 8 minus -2. All right, so 8 minus -2. So what we're going to do is to change this one into subtraction. Oops, you have heard it right. So all the subtraction questions, you need to change to addition question. Let's change it to addition question. How are you going to change it to addition? So you have there the 8, then this minus, make it plus, and then you take the inverse of the -2. So that -2, just make it +2. All right, then it will give you 10. Okay, as simple as that. So let's say, for example, you have -8 minus -2. What is that one? Okay, again, you copy the -8 and then you change this one to addition. So the minus becomes plus, the -2 becomes +2. You take the reverse of that, the inverse of that. So the -8 plus -2, that's actually addition, which is -6. Remember, if they have different sign, you subtract them. After you subtract, you copy the sign of the bigger number. So let's say, I'll go make another example. What about if I have -8 minus 2? Okay, so again, the first step is to copy the -8 and the minus there, the minus, change that operation to addition, and then the remaining one, okay, take the reverse of that or inverse of that, which is -2. So the answer now is -10. I'm going to give you one more example. So let's say -7 minus -10. Okay, I'm going to put it like that so don't get confused. So what we're going to do is just simply copy the -7, the minus, make it positive, and the remaining one, change it to +10. Okay, you always take the reverse. So that one there is actually +3. Now, let's say, for example, you have three numbers of, let's say, -7 minus -2 plus -3. So in this case, there are actually three numbers. And what are we going to do if we encounter something like this? We actually need to do by twos or by pair. So you copy the -7, the minus, make it plus, the -2, make it +2, okay, which is actually equal to -5. So therefore, -5 plus -3, what is that? So that is just addition of the same integers. So that one will give you -8. All right. So again, just to summarize everything, that's all actually for subtraction. So just to summarize everything, you have, for example, -3 minus -2. Again, what we have said is this is equal to -1. Why? Because you change this one to the positive, you change this to plus, and then you take the opposite of this, make it +2. So -3 plus +2 is -1. And then if, for example, a -3 minus 2, again, do the same thing. This one here, make it plus, and this 2 here, make it -2 or -2. So the question now is -3 plus -2, that's actually -5. All right? So it's actually very simple. So let's say a 3 minus -2, what is that? Definitely that's equal to 5, because this minus -2 is just like +5. Okay? Yeah. So let's say, for example, you have 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. Please, it's not 1. but it's actually -1. Why is that so? Because again, what you're gonna do, the minus make it plus, and then this 3 here make it -3, and that is 2 there. So 2 plus -3 is -1. All right, that's it for this video. Have a good day and goodbye.